Hi Jonas, great that you are here. As a product manager, among other products, you are responsible for our roots pumps. What does the latest generation called HiLobe offer in terms of energy efficiency, and what is new about the pump?
Yeah, so first of all, thanks for having me today. Our new HiLobe roots pump has a total different design than conventional roots pumps. This means we have a canned motor design with an IPM motor because we're using a frequency converter. And we don't require an overflow valve and its overflow valve channel anymore. So we can directly start the pump from atmospheric pressure on, because we can drive at the maximum possible differential pressure in order to prevent the pump from overheating. In addition to that, we made the lobes a lot lighter, so that means we can run the pump at a much faster rotational speed. So for example, with our 2000 roots pumps, we can drive the pump at 200 Hertz, which is pretty fast. That's why we can pump more gas in the same amount of time than conventional roots pump. That enables us to reduce the housing size, and therefore we are having a smaller footprint of the whole pump. Because of the lighter lobes, we have of course less weight for the pump, and those both things contribute to an environmentally friendly and also energy efficient pump.
So you were talking about the frequency converter. Can you explain us some details about it?
Sure. The frequency converter itself makes the pump intelligent, which means that you can embed the pump via Profinet into your PLC. There you can read different parameters like temperature, current, actual torque, speed, and of course the power consumption. But you can also control the pump in regards to adjust the rotational speed. As I said previously, you can run the pump fast, but you can also run the pump slow if you just want to maintain a certain backing pressure in order to run your processes. And in this mode, the power consumption is much lower than in the full speed mode. And if you combine both, so if you're reading parameters and also controlling, you can set up different programs, which of course can lead to more energy efficiency in your process.
How do these innovations contribute to energy savings? Can you give us an actual example?
In order to show that, let's have a look on pressure versus power consumption. Here we have two phases. So the first phase is the acceleration phase, where we can start the pump directly from atmospheric pressure and have a lower energy consumption than the conventional roots pump. This is because of the things I've mentioned. We have the lighter lobes, we have the IE4 motor which we are using, and also the hermetically sealed concept, which plays a major role here. And in the second phase, you have the possibility to run the pump much slower. Meanwhile, the conventional roots pump is running at 100% all the time. So because of that, we save a lot more energy, and the longer this phase is, the more energy you can save with the HiLobe.
Thank you, Jonas, for explaining the benefits of the latest generation roots pumps so clearly.